What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Gloss Garage, where we make detailing simple. My name is Sak, and today we have another vehicle, but this time it's going to be a more in-depth on a review on this Mytee HP60 Extractor. My thoughts, if I like it or not. My wife already started on this Toyota Yaris. Yesterday she completed the whole exterior, and it was they came for our shine package, which is our milk package with our wash, clay, and seal on the exterior. And then on the interior, they get a full deep interior with carpet shampooing, extraction, and that's what we're gonna do today. My wife did polish just a little bit on the exterior, so you guys are gonna see how it looks. It was more of like a cleaner polish to help remove any extra embedded contaminants and stuff like that. But yeah, so if you guys like this content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will flip the camera over so you guys can see the results of this Toyota Yaris, especially on the exterior, that is complete. So here we are. So this is what my wife took care of yesterday, and we're just gonna take care of the interior today. So it's a 15-year-old car. We obviously don't expect perfection, but still a night and day difference on this thing, and it came out really good. My wife did an amazing job, like she always does, and this part is no exception. So yep, so now we're just gonna focus on the interior, and like I said, it's mostly gonna be a review on the HP Mytee 60 and our process. So you can see it's really dusty, very sandy type of look. So we're gonna extract and see how much of this gunk and grime gets released from the extractor. Same thing with the carpets. They did say they go to the beach a lot. And yeah, so that's about it. That's what we're gonna focus on today, and try to bring it back to life, or make sure everything is fully clean to begin with. Alright everyone, so before I do my in-depth review on my Mytee HP60 Heated Extractor, and if it's even worth it, I still do want to touch base on this deep interior detail that we are doing on this Toyota Yaris, right? I do already have 2 gallons of distilled water. This is the 3rd gallon that I'm putting in. And after this, I am putting Flex Ice cleaning powder inside the solution tank. Some of you guys are asking, what is Flex Ice? Well, Flex Ice is part of a 2-part system which cleaning and upholstery and removing stains off upholstery and carpets and stuff like that at the industrial level, right? This is a super powerful cleaner, but this is mainly on the acidic side. What does that mean? Well, the cleaner that we're using, or the degreaser that we will be using on the interior inside a pump sprayer that I will show you guys in a bit, is called BioBreak, and it's a heavy degreaser that's high on the alkaline scale, aka the pH scale. So we don't want those cleaning agents to keep on cleaning forever, right? So this helps neutralize that cleaning agents to prevent any staining from resurfacing back up on the surface. Because when you use any type of degreaser, once it dries on the surface and stuff like that, and say you get inside wet with your wet feet or clothes or whatever it is, right, you're reactivating those cleaners. So this helps neutralize the cleaners to prevent it from reactivating again when you're inside, and then so that's how stains and stuff resurface on your carpets or upholstery or anything else. Alright, so what I have here is my BioBreak, and the way I like to use it, I use almost a full scoop inside that 1.5 liter of water or solution that I could hold inside that pump sprayer, and I put it in there for that super extra cleaning power, right? This is an oil, grease, and like organic cleaner assassin. It really digs deep into those pores of your upholstery and fabrics and breaks down everything into smaller and smaller pieces, and making it easier to remove and separating it from your upholstery, right? I still use distilled water because, again, I do want this to fully clean at its maximum potential. And what I do use this as is a pre-treatment, right? I pre-treat all the interiors. You could do it by sections, as I do in this video. I do it by sections. I pre-treat everything, and then I agitate it with a scrub brush that's for upholstery. I put it on the drill brush, and I agitate everything to help break down and clean and agitate deeper into those fibers of your upholstery. So here is the HP60 extractor from Mytee. It has the heat, vac, and pump switch. Right now I'm heating up the water for the heat water extractor, and that's the solution tank that I'm switching. Do you really need all this necessity? No. What I do recommend though, for sure, is definitely step up to the intermediate one, which is the AquaVac Pro. It's a super great. It's $600. No, it's not heated. No, it doesn't have crazy suction power, but it's definitely way better than the super introductory levels of like the HooverVac extractors, and it leaves those carpets super damp. So you really want to step up at least something to speed up the drying process of the upholstery or fabric that you're working with. And here I am using the BioBreak that I showed you guys in that pump sprayer, agitating it. I am not cheap with it, and while you're extracting it and agitating it, you see a complete night and day difference from where the driver sits and the backrest of where he sits, right? And this is all that gunk and stuff. And we did pass the extractor about 3 to 4 times to ensure it's super clean, remove all that dirt, sand, and all that stuff out. And you guys will see at the end, near the end of this video, of all that gunk that was actually released of everything inside the interior. And what's great about this Mytee HP60 is with one swipe, look at the difference between the right side and the left side of the passenger seat that my wife is extracting, right? And again, the heat is what makes it a lot easier. Can you do this with the Aqua Pro? Yes, you can. All you have to do is, if you're a mobile detailer, which is unfortunate, but you're gonna have to find a way to heat up the water, leave it in a Yeti bucket that's heated to keep all that heat in there, and then just put it inside the extractor. That's all it is. It just wastes more time and you become less efficient. And this is the backside where the passengers sit, and look at all that gunk that is coming out of the seats. I think this is the first time it's ever been extracted, in my opinion, based on what was coming out of the seats and the carpets. But we really revamped this interior completely inside and out. And I have to keep stressing, right? You do not need these crazy expensive equipment to start your detailing business. The customers do not know what equipment you're using and whether it costs $1,800, $200. It's the professional and premium quality results, right? We started off, me and my wife, with just the most introductory, elementary detailing equipment. Yes, did it take more time to finish a detail with the stuff that we had in the equipment? Yes, but you need to build your brand and your demographic and show them that you know how to give high premium quality results. And that's when you start investing. If you have the capital to buy these equipment, go ahead, more power to you. That's great. That is amazing. I am happy that you're starting off that way, because you are on the right track of being efficient and giving premium quality results at a fraction of a time, and that's how you become profitable in your business. You want to give high quality results, and a lot of customers do not like to wait a whole day for their vehicle, especially for like an interior detail. And it's okay. Just like when you go to a mechanic and all that stuff, you're always wondering, why is it taking so long to do this type of repair? I think it's just one small piece. It's okay, right? But they have the equipment to make it quicker and more efficient. That way they could give us our vehicles back. And it's the same thing as for car detailing. We have the equipment to give high premium quality results at a fraction of a time for them. And what you see me doing here, I am steaming the rest of the interior. Once I finish extracting everything, we steam clean the seats, especially to help evaporate any of the dampness and speed up the drying process of the upholstery and carpets that are there. And here is what came out of the extractor after we extracted the carpets, the mats, the seats. This is all the dirt, gunk, and sand that came out of all those fibers inside the upholstery, right? And that is a lot of dirt and gunk. And here are the after results of the detail. So I was not there, so my wife took care of the exterior. We did not take a before, but it is all right. My wife did a quick cleaner polish. She did the whole wash, clay, and wax, and a cleaner polish on the exterior to just get rid of that extra embedded contaminant, bring up a little bit of shine. And here is the after result, a complete night and day difference. My wife said that the customer was super excited. I was not there to receive it, but she said, oh my God, I've never found like detailers who can actually do this type of job. Everywhere I went, they did not provide the service that she wanted, and she was just super happy with the results. And the exterior looks amazing. Like I said earlier in the video, my wife did the exterior and she did not, drop the ball whatsoever. She always gives high premium quality results. The interior is fully clean. And if you guys like this type of content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and all the products that I use in this video will be in the link down below to my website on all the products and equipments that we like to use in our detailing business and what works for us, right? And I am so happy that I'm able to provide this type of information to you guys, and hopefully you guys found this helpful. And other than that, guys, enjoy the rest of this walk around, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.